Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to review Kama Ayurveda's Nalpamaradi thailam, and in general also I'll talk about what is Nalpamara, what is Nalpamaradi thailam. Do we really need this or is it another marketing gimmick? If we need this, then why do we need this? If not, then why not? Who should use this and who should not? We will talk all this in today's video. So if you are interested, then keep on watching, and if you haven't yet subscribed my channel yet, I will request you to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon just next to it. And without further ado, let's just get into the video. What is Nalpamaradi thailam or oil? It's Ayurvedic oil which is made from the stem buds of ficus trees. Now ficus is botanical name of most commonly known people tree. Stem buds of 4 different species of ficus trees are used in the preparation of this oil. These 4 different species are known as Nalpamara. Along with the stem buds of these 4 different species, vetiver, amla, turmeric, as well as this base of sesame oil is used, and this entire concoction is known as Nalpamaradi thailam. In ancient history, it is said that this oil was used to treat skin diseases. Nalpamaradi thailam in general is known to remove suntan, pigmentation, cures uneven skin tone, and also it heals sun damages. This oil is also known as skin brightening oil, and hence it is said that you can use this oil 1 year before your wedding. That was Nalpamaradi thailam in general. Now let's move on to Kama Ayurveda's Nalpamaradi oil. Now let's talk about the packaging first. This comes in this plastic bottle with a screw cap, and this is the travel size one, which is 50 ml one, and this is travel friendly because the packaging is sturdy. Now talking about, this is a pro, okay. Now talking about the con of the product, again the pricing could be the con of the product, because 50 ml of this retails for rupees 575, and they also have this 100 ml one which retails for rupees 1075. If I am not wrong, then kuch mahine pehle I think I saw the 100 ml bottle of Nalpamaradi oil was priced around rupees 800 something, which is around 900, okay. But now when you see, the price has increased to almost 1100 rupees. So the prices of Kama with the products, they increases like a galloping horse, okay, if that makes sense. So talking about the next this product, of course this is available in 2 different sizes for different customers of different budgets, so that they can try out these products. And the availability is also another pro, that these are easily available on Nykaa, Amazon, and also in their own official website you will get this product. The next pro of this product is that this is not just a body oil but also facial oil, and the next pro is men can also use this product, not just only women. The next con of this product could be a word of caution, that as I mentioned earlier, that this contains turmeric root, and hence the color of this oil is little yellowish, and this can stain your clothes, okay. So how to use this? You have to gently massage this oil on your body, on your skin, or on the areas you want to apply this oil, and you have to keep it for 20 to 30 minutes and then wash off your body or your face with a gentle cleanser. I will recommend you to do a patch test before applying this onto your face. Do not directly apply this or any other new products on your face. Always do a patch test. Patch test is always recommended. If you are oily, acne prone, sensitive skin type, I will tell you, if you really want to apply oil on your face, apply it for 5 minutes and then wash it off. Also, yeah, first do a patch test. If your skin is not reacting, then you apply on your face for 5 minutes straight and then wash it off. Do this for 1 week, 1.5 weeks, and see if your skin is not reacting to this oil or any other oil. Then continue using it for like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, like that you increase the timing, but always go slow with your skincare and your hair care product. For anybody having the question how frequently to apply this oil, go slow. As I said, you can apply this twice a week, and then probably you can increase it to thrice a week, and then every alternate days you can apply and use this. The next pro of this product is that this oil is not sticky, and this is a lightweight oil which gets absorbed very quickly. This has got no added fragrance in it. That is also another pro of this product. Whether you need to buy this oil or not, if you are considering to purchase a facial oil or a body oil to reap the benefits of ancient traditional ayurvedic oil, and if you have pigmentation, uneven skin tone, suntan, then you can give this oil a try. But if you think that you will get instant result, or if you're looking for instant remedy, trust me, this is not for you. This will take 1 month to get that significant result out of this. So if you have patience for that, then go grab this oil. If not, then stay away, because this is not magic. So that's all in my today's video. If you like my honest reviews, then definitely give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe, press the bell icon, and I'll meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.